This is Horse Creek just outside of Arcadia, and right now the National Weather Service says it's at almost 6 feet, but it's expected to get as high as 14 feet, causing the Weather Service to issue a minor flood warning. The National Weather Service says the river is expected to flood Tuesday afternoon. The river is forecasted to get as high as 14 feet by Thursday, which could impact some buildings on the riverbank. Horse Creek got as high as 20 feet during Hurricane Ian 3 years ago. DeSoto County's emergency management director says there could be minor flooding in low-lying areas with poor drainage, but that it's normal for this time of year.
This is the normal rainy season that we have. We're in hurricane season, but this isn't a named system that's coming. At this point, so we're not going to be impacted like we were with some previous storms such as Ian or Helene or Milton.
I talked to neighbors today who say they're not particularly concerned. Echoing the emergency management director, they say this type of flooding is pretty typical around rainy season. Of course, we'll stay on top of it with forecasts both over the air and online at fox4now.com. In DeSoto County, Hunter Ultraman, Fox 4.